This is the Domino Safety Gap fork. If you build big domino projects, then chances are you include safety gaps to minimise damage if you should accidentally knock some over. When it comes to filling the safety gaps once the project is complete, it can be a little nerve-wracking, especially if you have shaky hands. So I built this safety gap fork out of Lego. It is designed to fill a gap of 5 dominoes. If you want to make one yourself, I've included instructions at the end of this video. So let's say you've finished building your large project and it's time to fill in the safety gap. Just load all the 5 dominoes into your safety gap fork and then just push them into your domino line to complete the project. It's pretty simple to use, and I've designed it with thinner pieces on the side here to give you more room when you're inserting it into the line. And yeah, the instructions will follow straight after this. Thanks for watching.